How to update tax information on AdSense for non-US residents. Welcome to this essential guide for all non-US residents earning through AdSense. Are you a content creator, a YouTuber, or a website owner outside the United States navigating the complexities of AdSense tax information? Perhaps you've received a notification about updating your tax details, or you're simply ensuring compliance for uninterrupted payments. This tutorial is specifically designed for you. Understanding and correctly submitting your tax information to Google AdSense is not just a recommendation, it's a critical requirement. Incorrect or outdated tax details can lead to significant issues, including payment holds, delayed disbursements, or even higher tax withholding rates on your earnings. This can directly impact your financial flow and the stability of your online business. Many non-US creators find this process daunting, often due to unfamiliar terminology or the fear of making a mistake. However, with the right guidance, updating your tax information can be a straightforward task. This video will demystify the process, providing clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure your AdSense account is fully compliant. We understand that your time is valuable, and you need accurate information quickly. That's why we've structured this guide to be as efficient and informative as possible. Our goal is to help you confidently update your tax details, ensuring your AdSense payments continue seamlessly and without unnecessary deductions. By the end of this tutorial, you will possess the knowledge and confidence to navigate the AdSense tax section effectively. You'll learn how to identify the correct forms, understand the implications of your choices, and successfully submit your information. This will safeguard your earnings and maintain your financial health as a global content creator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional, informative tutorials and guides designed specifically for content creators and online entrepreneurs. Like, share, and smash the bell notification so you don't have to miss any update. Step-by-step tutorial. Navigating AdSense tax information. Let's begin the practical steps to update your tax information within your AdSense account. This process is crucial for ensuring that Google correctly identifies your tax status and applies the appropriate withholding rates, if any, based on your country of residence and any applicable tax treaties. Following these steps precisely will help prevent common errors. Step 1. Log in to your AdSense account. The very first action is to securely log in to your Google AdSense account. Use the credentials associated with your AdSense Publisher ID. It is vital to ensure you are accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google properties or have different AdSense accounts. Double-check the email address you are using for login. Once logged in, you will typically land on your AdSense dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of your earnings, performance, and any important notifications. Take a moment to review any alerts that might be displayed, as they often highlight pending actions, including tax information updates. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. From your AdSense dashboard, locate the navigation menu, usually positioned on the left-hand side of your screen. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Payments. Click on this Payments section to proceed. This area is your central hub for all financial aspects of your AdSense account. The Payments section is where you manage your payment threshold, review your transaction history, and configure your payment methods. It also houses the critical tax information settings. This dedicated section ensures that all financial and tax-related configurations are consolidated in one accessible location for your convenience. Step 3. Click on Manage Tax Info. After clicking Payments, you will typically see a submenu or a new page with several options. Look for a link or button that says Manage Tax Info or Manage Tax Information. This specific option is your gateway to viewing and updating your current tax details on file with Google. Clicking Manage Tax Info will direct you to a dedicated page that displays your current tax status and any previously submitted tax forms. This page is designed to provide a clear overview of your compliance. It will indicate whether your tax information is approved, pending, or requires further action. Step 4. Click Edit, Update, and confirm Country TIN. On the Manage Tax Info page, you will likely see an option to add tax info if you haven't submitted any before, or an Edit or Update button next to your existing tax profile. Click this button to initiate the update process. This action will typically prompt you to confirm your identity for security purposes. You may be asked to re-enter your Google account password. This is a standard security measure to protect your sensitive financial information. Once authenticated, you will be presented with a series of questions to confirm your country of residence and your tax identification number, or TIN. Ensure these details are accurate and match your official documentation. Your tax identification number is a unique identifier used by your country's tax authority. For individuals, this might be your national identification number, social security number, or a specific tax ID. For businesses, it would be your business registration number. Providing the correct TIN is crucial for tax treaty benefits. Step 5. Carefully fill out required form. This is perhaps the most critical step, accurately completing the required tax forms. For most non-US individuals, the form you will need to fill out is the W-8BEN, which stands for Certificate of Foreign Status of Beneficial Owner for United States Tax Withholding and Reporting. This form certifies that you are not a U.S. person. The W-8BEN form requires specific details such as your full legal name, country of citizenship, permanent residence address, and your foreign tax identifying number. It also asks if you are claiming a tax treaty benefit. If your country has a tax treaty with the United States, you may be eligible for a reduced withholding rate on certain types of income. Carefully review each section of the form. If you are claiming treaty benefits, you will need to specify the article and paragraph of the treaty that applies to your situation. This information can usually be found on your country's tax authority website or through official government resources detailing tax treaties with the U.S. For non-U.S. businesses, other forms like the W-8BENE might be required. The AdSense interface will guide you to the appropriate form based on your initial selections regarding your entity type. Take your time to understand each field and provide precise information to avoid rejections or delays. Step 6. Review and submit the form, providing supporting documentation if prompted. Before final submission, AdSense will typically provide a summary of the information you have entered. This is your opportunity to meticulously review every detail for accuracy. Check for any typos, incorrect numbers, or misselected options. An error here could lead to your form being rejected. Once you are confident that all information is correct, proceed to submit the form. In some cases, particularly if there are discrepancies or if you are claiming complex treaty benefits, Google AdSense may prompt you to provide supporting documentation. This could include a copy of your passport, a utility bill to confirm your address, or official tax documents from your country. If supporting documentation is requested, ensure that the files you upload are clear, legible, and meet the specified format requirements. Providing these documents promptly and accurately is essential for the swift approval of your tax information. Failure to provide requested documents can result in your tax information remaining unapproved, potentially impacting your payments. After submission, you will usually receive a confirmation message. The status of your tax information will then change to pending review or similar. Google will review your submission, and this process can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the complexity of your case and the volume of submissions. Troubleshooting an AMP. Tips. Even with clear instructions, you might encounter issues or have questions during the tax information update process. Knowing where to find help and how to prevent common mistakes can save you significant time and frustration. Proactive measures are key to a smooth experience. Check AdSense Help Center or contact support for issues. If you face any technical difficulties, receive an error message, or are unsure about a specific field on the tax form, your first resource should be the Google AdSense Help Center. It contains an extensive database of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides specifically related to tax information for various regions. The Help Center often provides detailed explanations for common issues, definitions of tax terms, and specific requirements for different countries. Utilize the search function within the Help Center to quickly find relevant information. Many common queries are already addressed there. If you cannot find a solution in the Help Center, or if your issue is unique and requires personalized assistance, you can contact AdSense support directly. Look for the Contact Us or Get Help option within the Help Center or your AdSense account. Be prepared to provide your publisher ID and a clear description of your problem. When contacting support, be as specific as possible about the issue you are facing. Include screenshots if they help illustrate the problem. This will enable the support team to understand your situation quickly and provide more targeted assistance. Patience is often required, as response times can vary. Pro tip: keep a copy of submitted tax forms and double-check information before submission. A crucial best practice is to always keep a digital or physical copy of any tax forms you submit to AdSense. This includes the W-8BEN or any other relevant forms. Having a copy allows you to refer back to the exact information you provided, which can be invaluable if questions arise later or if you need to update your information again in the future. Before you click the final Submit button, take an extra moment to double-check every single piece of information you have entered. Verify your name, address, tax identification number, and any claims for tax treaty benefits. Even a small typo can lead to your form being rejected and cause significant delays in processing. Ensure that the name and address on your tax form exactly match the name and address associated with your AdSense payment profile and your bank account. Inconsistencies can trigger security flags and lead to payment holds. Consistency across all your financial details is paramount for smooth operations. It's also wise to periodically review your tax information in AdSense, even if you haven't received a specific prompt to update it. Tax laws can change, or your personal circumstances might evolve. Staying proactive ensures that your account remains compliant and your payments are never interrupted due to outdated information. Congratulations! By following these steps, you have successfully navigated the process of updating your tax information on AdSense as a non-US resident. This is a significant achievement that ensures your continued compliance and the smooth flow of your earnings. You've taken a vital step in managing your online business effectively. Having accurate and up-to-date tax information on file with Google AdSense is not merely a bureaucratic formality. It is fundamental to receiving your payments without interruption. It ensures that the correct tax withholding rates are applied, preventing overtaxation and ensuring you receive the full amount you are entitled to based on your country's tax treaties. Maintaining current tax details also helps avoid potential payment holds or account suspensions that can arise from non-compliance. For content creators, consistent and reliable payments are the lifeblood of their operations, allowing them to reinvest in their content and grow their audience. Your diligence in this area directly supports your creative endeavors. We hope this comprehensive tutorial has provided you with the clarity and confidence needed to manage your AdSense tax obligations. Empowering yourself with this knowledge is key to a successful and sustainable online presence. Remember, staying informed and proactive about your financial compliance is always in your best interest. If this video has been helpful in guiding you through the AdSense tax update process, please consider giving it a like. Your engagement helps us understand what content is most valuable to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional, informative tutorials and guides designed specifically for content creators and online entrepreneurs. For additional resources, including links to the AdSense Help Center and official tax treaty information, please check the description below this video. We've compiled a list of useful links to further assist you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.